Hi, welcome to the DigitSquad platform. After a bit of delay, we are finally rolling out the platform and are excited to get you onboarded. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to create your account and then set up your recommendation list. So let's get started. To create an account, click on sign up and then sign up with email. While creating an account, ensure you use the same email ID that you had used while applying for DigitSquad, as only this email ID has been given account authorization. Once you submit your details, you will receive an email with the account authorization link. Click on the link and then click on sign in with email to get access to your account. On logging into your account, you can enter your profile information, upload your profile image, and also tell us what gadget categories you're most passionate about. Click next once you are done. This is your gadget profile section where you can create the list of gadgets that you own. This will also be the first recommendation list that you create. Adding a gadget to your list is easy. For example, if I want to add the OnePlus 6 to my list, I will simply search for it, locate it in the auto suggest, and click on the plus sign to add it to my list. And next, rate the product on performance, build quality, and value for money. I can also put in my opinion about this product. And finally, click on add to add this product to my list. Similarly, you can add as many products as you own to this list. Once I've added all my gadgets, I can then click on view your gadgets to see all the gadgets that I have owned. Here I can also edit or delete any of the gadgets. Next, you can click on view list to share your list on WhatsApp or Facebook with your friends and family. After creating your gadget profile list, you can now start creating product recommendation lists. Product recommendation lists consists of products that you would recommend to your friends and family to buy. To create a product recommendation list, click on the plus icon on the menu bar. Give a name to your list. Give a description to your list. And then start adding the products that you would like to recommend. Give your opinion on the product. And add the product to the list. To add more products to the list, click on add a product. You can add up to 10 products to a list. After completing your list, click on view list. Here you can see all the products that you have added to a list and also start sharing the list on WhatsApp and Facebook.